2021, we have made it. New budgets, new income goals, and a new list of things we don't have to buy for the remainder of the calendar year. Hey everyone, Happy New Year and welcome back to The Mindful Millennial. Today I want to share with you guys a list of 8 things that I am not planning to purchase for the remainder of 2020.
I just said 2020.
I meant 2021. Today I want to share with you guys a list of things I no longer plan to purchase for the remainder of 2021. During the 2020 holiday season last month, I was very fortunate to receive gift cards for places like Target and Amazon, grocery stores, gas, or just Visa gift cards in general. And because there was nothing I really needed in terms of just a treat or a want purchase, I decided to do something a little bit different. I set myself up to purchase things I would normally buy throughout the year 2021. I have them all here in my linen closet or spread out all around my house. We are filming this in front of my linen closet because this is where I got the idea to share this video. Really quick, if you're new here, this channel used to be called Kristen Marie, which is my name, but in the last 12 months, I've changed the title. I kind of adapted to just sharing my life as a brick and mortar school teacher, sharing how I budget and finance my lifestyle to be able to save over 60% of my income. Now, full disclosure, I do own a home, have a car, do have all those expenditures. I see a lot of YouTubers say they save over 60%, but then say they live with family and don't have to pay rent. So full disclosure, I am fortunate enough to be able to budget and finance to save over 60%. But if you're new here, be sure to click that little red subscription button and the bell down below to be updated for each and every future video. I've gotten a few requests for things to do over the last 6 months that I haven't been on this channel. So if you have anything you want to see, let me know down below in the comment section. If you have wondered where I've been, I will put my other side channel down in the description box as well. But without any further ado, here are 8 things I do not have to purchase for the remainder of 2021. Number 1 on my list are new kitchen gadgets and containers. Having to spend a majority of 2020 in this house, working and living and being a newlywed from home. Side note, I was married, I'll put the video up above, 4 months before the pandemic hit. We went through and got everything we needed in terms of cooking from home. We still actually meal prepped, even though we both used that spare bedroom and converted it into an office and had the ability to cook a fresh meal from home. We knew we wouldn't do it, so to not go out and spend a lot on Postmates and delivery services, we got ourselves a foodie, which is like a steamer, and an air fryer. I think I'm saying this right. Husband, please correct me down below. And just these few simple purchases have made it really easy to still continue to meal prep. Now, full disclosure, I am currently a brick and mortar teacher who is going into the classroom, but between the months of March and August, I was home. Husband is still home, but short and sweet, these kitchen gadgets and containers make it really easy for us to continue meal prepping and cooking from home. Number 2 is something I never thought I would stock up on this early in the year, but it is skincare. During quarantine, I got into the habit, and I'll pull one out here now. I got into the habit of taking my skincare bottles. This is my cleanser. Now, I have one of these in my bathroom right now, and what I do, oh, is it focusing on both of us? Yes, it is. What I started doing last year was I would take a Sharpie, and on the back of the container, I would put the date I started using the product. This showed me that I go through my CeraVe foaming facial cleanser in 5 to 6 months. It is a pretty big container. I just use 1 pump at night. That is it. I have one currently in the bathroom, like I said before. I've had it since November, and it was a brand new bottle, so I know I'll be able to get through it between March, April, or even May, and I have 2 more of these that I stocked up on. Thank you to my students who did get me the Target gift card that allowed me to stock up on this skincare. And even outside of cleansers, I have like my night creams, my toners, I've got rose oil, just a lot of stuff. I got a lot of gifts from family members. My sister got me this jade roller, which I had never used. I don't think it has any healing qualities. I just think it feels really good. She also got me things like under eye, what are these even called? Under eye masks. She got me face masks. So I really think that I am just set in terms of skincare for 2021. Number 3 are winter shoes and rain boots. Now, January is my favorite time to stock up on winter wear because they're all on clearance. Ironically, the sweater I'm currently wearing was $30 from Target in November and $7.99 last week. And I use that price comparison now when I want to go out and buy boots. Got a brand new pair of winter boots and rain boots off of Amazon. They were on super sale because the holiday season was over, and they're most likely going to start looking into their spring and summer lines. Number 4 pains me a little bit, but it is coffee mugs and tumblers. Now I'm gonna do a video next week that I think is trending right now, my best and worst purchases of 2020. So if you are also a financial YouTuber, I highly recommend that topic. It seems to be going around right now. When I was in quarantine, I thought, oh, you know, treat yourself. You're not going out anyway. And I would just buy coffee cups and tumblers. Since the Thanksgiving and holiday seasons, I have donated a lot of that, but I've decided to keep my top 5 and keep them in my pantry right by my coffee station, and those are the ones I will use throughout the year. I did not have to actually purchase anything to make this number happen. I just donated what I wasn't using, and I'm gonna keep and use what is currently in my house. Moving right along, number 6 is shampoo and conditioner. Now I have many bottles in this closet, but the ones I will share are ones I used a Visa gift card on and coupons at my local grocery store. I have 2 of these in here and 2 of these, and my shower is also fully stocked as well. I am someone who only washes my hair once, maybe twice a week. Full disclosure, I do shower. I get a lot of comments whenever I make that remark about not washing my hair that often. That does not mean I do not shower, but I do not wash and strip my hair more than once a week. I do believe these were $3 each on sale, and then I had a $1 off swap product on each, so I got to knock the price down a little bit, but still ultimately got it for free. I just stretched out what I had to spend with my Visa gift card. Also, I don't know if you can see it, but I've got hair gel and hairspray in here as well. I currently am experimenting doing the curly girl method every once in a while, clearly not today. And so my mom, shout out to my mom, she got me these Moroccan hair oil lines whenever I want to go straight or curly. I've got, I probably didn't even zoom in on that. I've got the gel and cream to do either one. I've got finishing spray, so if I'm filming, or this year I've got a lot of public speaking events, which are probably gonna be Zoom speaking events, I can have my hair looking nice that day, I can get my ring light going, and then she got me a little bit of hair oil. So if I'm not washing it every day, I can take care of it each and every day. I think my goal is just gonna be to clean this out in using all these products this year. Number 6 is my favorite on this list, and it is a brand new car. Now I will link up above my other channel's video where I share with you guys the process of buying this car, the tour of it, how it looks. I love it so much. I did keep my old car for 10 years and it really was on its last leg. It didn't have heat, it had a lot of sensor problems, and I just needed a new car. So it's one of my favorite purchases of 2020, and fingers crossed I will not need to replace it this year. Side note of another video I will be making, I want to discuss why we chose in this house to finance my car when we had the option of paying for it all in cash. I know everybody here on YouTube that does finance talks about paying in cash, cash is king, but we discussed it here in this house and we decided it was better for our family and our situation not to just pay it all in cash and walk the other way. We are on a specific financing plan, and I'll talk about that more in a future video. Number 7 is makeup. Now, I did go through and clean out everything that had expired, but I used some of my gift cards from both Amazon and Target, and I just revamped what I needed in terms of makeup. For me, I don't really wear it every day, and when I do, it's the basic foundation, powder, maybe a little eyeliner if I'm filming, mascara, and I haven't used lipstick in so long because I'm always covered with a mask when I am teaching. So I really only wear lipstick when I'm either teaching at home or filming YouTube videos. So I haven't had to go out and buy much in terms of makeup. So I'm hoping I can just get through all of my makeup that's currently in my bathroom throughout 2021. And number 8 on my list are storage containers for things like clothes and shoes. I did go out to Big Lots and I used my last Visa gift card and I bought just a little container that sits on the top shelf of my bedroom closet, and in that container I keep my off-season clothes. Now I have done a lot of research on things like the capsule wardrobe or keeping a minimalist wardrobe, and I particularly find I can't do that since I am a performer and a teacher and I film and I speak, so I need a wardrobe that fits all of the different hats that I wear. But what I will do is I will keep one container in my closet of off-season clothing. Now I do have like my fancy gowns and dresses in my office closet, but for my everyday use right now, my container is filled with my shorts, my t-shirts, my blouses, things that I will wear in the summer when the heat obviously is here. It's currently 16 degrees. And then in the summertime, I will move my collection of 6 sweaters, That's all I've let myself keep. I'll put those in there with my vests, my long sleeve apparel, my trousers, just whatever I'm not going to wear during that season. I find having one container helps out because I say to myself, what fits in this container stays with me, everything else gets donated. And then when I finally go to change, my closet out for the new season, it feels like I got a whole new wardrobe because I haven't seen those pieces in months. But there you guys have it. That is the list of things I am not planning to buy for the year 2021. Now, if life decides to be unpredictable like it was last year and I do have to go and purchase some of those things, that's completely fine. But the plan right now is to budget and save towards other things like a down payment of a new house, paying off our current home, cars, whatever we're gonna be doing in 2021, we don't have to worry about our kitchen gadgets, makeup, or skincare, which might not seem like a lot, but if you're like this girl and you looked at your credit card transactions from the last year or two, you find you do spend a lot, and those things can add up. And yes, for those that are gonna ask, I do use credit cards. I pay them off every single month, and what it does for us is it pays for our Christmas gifts and sometimes our flights if we are traveling, which hasn't happened in a very long time. But you guys, let me know what things you are planning to not buy in the year 2021 down below in the comments. Please give this video a huge thumbs up. We're getting very close to 15,000 subscribers here in this community. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.